I decided to try the Lux Collection Essentials because I needed an on-the-go light therapy to fight my acne. What I loved about this product is it has different modes. The blue light therapy kills acne-causing bacteria to fight acne and prevent future breakouts. Red light therapy to fight wrinkles and fine lines and increases collagen and elastin production in the skin. Combo mode to address both acne and wrinkles at once. As you can see, proximity sensor activates lights when device is correctly placed against the skin, saves battery, and ensures proper usage. Best part, it's rechargeable so there's no cord to tether you while you're using the device. FDA-cleared medical-grade LED technology ensures safe and effective results. It's so easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Treatments take only 3 minutes per area. And I love this unique triangular design of the light head, makes it easy to treat all the contours of your face. Use anywhere, even on the body. This one device has significantly reduced my acne. So head over to ledtechnologies.com to learn more and start shopping. You'll thank me later.